Kung ang opening niya ay amoy gata, ang dry down niya parang amoy buko juice. I just got my hands on the famous Kadlaj Island. Medyo late na, but still, let's talk about it. Kadlaj Island is a dupe of Le Beau Le Parfum by JPG. Sabi ko sa aking initial impression sa Kadlaj Island ay parang amoy gata. Medyo totoo naman, pero sa opening lang yan. With all honesty, hindi ko po alam kung ano ang amoy ng OG JPG Le Beau Le Parfum. So let's just review the fragrance by itself. Kadlaj Island smells like creamy, juicy coconut. Masculine din siya and very fresh. This is also very performing. This lasted on my skin and shirt for about 6 to 8 hours with moderate to above average projection for the first 2 hours. Kung ang opening niya ay amoy gata, ang dry down niya parang amoy buko juice, fresh and coconutty. If you guys wanna cop Kadlaj Island, meron nito sa Dubai Shop Baliwag na napakamura lang, around 1,800 to 2,300 siguro, depende if may voucher or wala. If you're interested, check it out there. And that's it. Peace.